You need to hear this if you're a food enthusiast. Ever thought about what makes your ice cream safe and delicious? Yee. Stick around to find out. Before you enjoy that scoop of ice cream, there's a crucial step called pasteurization. It's all about making sure your ice cream is free from nasty bacteria and impurities. Here's how it works. First, the ice cream mix is heated to 69 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. This method kills harmful bacteria while keeping the mix creamy and smooth. But there's also a quicker method, HTST or high temperature short time treatment. In this process, the mix is heated to 80 degrees Celsius for just 25 seconds. Both methods ensure your ice cream is safe to eat and has that perfect texture we all love. So, next time you indulge, remember the science behind the scoop. Cool, right? Thanks for tuning in and keep enjoying your favorite frozen treats. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty tidbits.